B-E-A-U-X.
Wow.
Can you say mama?
Dada.
Can you say mommy? Are you gonna say mama? He used to say mama. He'd be like ma 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 ma. But now he says baba.
B-E-A-U-X.
Bow.
Bow.
Can you say sissy?
What sound does a cow make? Ooh, very good. What about a wolf? What sound does a dog make? Good job.
What about a cat? Meow. Do you like apples?
Hello. You can tell Dee hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey,
Hey.
what's going on?
Oh, you having a good morning?
Am I having a good morning?
Yeah. Bo, you want to tell her hello?
Hello, Bo.
Yes,
Alright.
Bye.
Bow.
ma'am.
Bow.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye. You gonna go see Dee Dee today?
We got the rainy day blues. You got the blues, Bowman? Sorry, it's raining. I'm gonna get out anyway. That's what he said. I'm gonna get out anyway.
It's raining, but we can't go outside. It's wet outside.
Maybe we'll build a fort instead. Are you jealous? Are you jealous because you can't see the fort yet? We'll take you in there in a minute. Bo! Where are you, Bo? Bowman! I can't find Bowman anywhere. Where is the Bowman? Did he go out the escape hatch? Oh, there's a Bowman. What's up, buddy? What you got here? Is that a fort? Is that not the coolest fort you've ever seen? Huh? Let's check out the fort. Whoa. That is one sweet blanket fort, dude. What do you think, Bo? Huh? What do you think? Is that a sweet blanket fort? Sissy, what's the matter? I'm going to take you in the blanket fort in a minute. Oh, yeah. Oh, is that a sock? Sock? Bo! Bowman! Whoa. Made with the greatest football team ever. It's also made with our faces, which I'll show you in a minute. And our faces. Beautiful. Just jelly, you don't have a blanket full of your face. It's good looking stuff right there. Look at that Apache beard. Got Indian in me, I'm Apache. Apache man. Hi. You ready to check out the fort, sissy? You ready to check out the fort? Check it out. Ooh. You want to go in the fort, Bo man? Let's go inside. Bo don't like Sissy being in the fort. This is the bro fort, huh? Sissy, you like being in the fort? Do you like being in the fort? Huh? Oh, check it out. Got a nice little fort going on. Oh, there he is.
Why'd you need cash?
A little girl was selling coupons. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go in. Hey, Bo. Bo.
Better be glad you didn't take my old and your five.
Come here, Bo. Whoa! Look at all the stuff, man. Look, we got Scout. We got the giant book. We need the Pooh book. We got so many books. There's books everywhere. We can read for days. Oh. Dada! Oh yeah, the 100-acre wood hunt, baby. Uh-oh, Bo. I think a storm's coming. Oh, a storm's coming. You like the story of Jonah and the whale? Where's that story at? Where is it? Oh man, we lost Jonah, babe. How about God made everything? God made the red bird. God made the yellow suns. God made the blue whale. That's what ate Jonah. God made the green frog. What was that? God made the brown bear. God made the orange fish. God made the penguin. And God made me. God made Bo Man. Did you know that? The little children and God loves me. Where's Jonah? That was a good one. Oh well. Had the storm in it, Bo.
What was that?
The storm?
Hey! What was that?
That is purple. Purple. Purple and gold. LSU Tigers. Greatness. LSU. National champs, by the way. We beat Alabama. And Auburn. And the Gators. And Ole Miss. And Mississippi State. And Clemson. Although a good game. We murdered Oklahoma. Sorry about that, guys. Jalen Hurts walked away wounded. Purple, just like LSU. You say B-E-A-U-X. Bo, that's right. Good job. Bo. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Sissy said Bo. Bo. Go.